Alright guys, this is a review of the South Georgia cargo trailer. They also go by the name of Snapper Trailer, and a couple of other. They're all made in Pearson, Georgia. So if you plan on buying one of these, just be sure to double check a couple items before you purchase it. One of the items is behind the wheel. You can see how the screws are spaced apart. When you come here, those screws, this is nice and loose. Another thing to check is these lights. When I was putting here LEDs, I noticed so on this one, the notch, they put it in the right way so that you can put a screwdriver and no water gets in here. But some of these other ones, this one's good. Like this one is upside down and water can get in here, so that's something that needs to be watched out for. You can see how much dirt is in here compared to the other ones. Another thing to watch out for is these fenders. So this one's secured nice and snug, it's not going anywhere, but on this one it's very loose. I don't know if you guys can tell. So if you look here, you can see how the studs are going down on a line, and this screw right here does not line up with the metal studs back here. It's just in the flimsy sheet metal. Another thing to watch out for is before you take it off the lot, make sure there's no rust underneath here. This one had to be repainted. So basically they did not paint the very bottom of the frame rails, so it looks like they never picked it up to paint underneath. And another item to watch out for is that I had an issue with these trailers is some of these bushings were missing. So you can kind of see how this one I had to cut a notch in it right there to make it fit so that the wire's not getting chafed. So just a couple items to look out for when buying a South Georgia cargo snapper trailer. I think they're also called rolling vault, and there was another name for them. It was country something, I believe. So before I let you guys go, if you look right here, there's another place for water to get in. When they were installing the screws, I guess they didn't drill properly, so I'm gonna have to take some silicone and fill that in. But yeah, just basically be careful when you buy these. Just make sure that they're all there. Oh yeah, another issue that I had was when it was brand new, this sheet metal has a bow in it, so they barely put in any caulking and it started cracking, so I had to fill that up. But yes, overall they're not a bad trailer. Just make sure you do a thorough inspection before you take it off the lot. From my experience, they wanted me to drive it down to Georgia to get any work done on it because the dealership said it's the manufacturer's warranty and they refused to do any work from it. So, but yes, as you can see, this is where this one was purchased in North Carolina trailer sales. But overall it's a good trailer, just the workmanship could be a little bit better. I'm not sure what's going on with the screws. Some are shiny, some are rusty, so we got to order a couple more screws for that and get them changed out.